My name's William. We're going to be unboxing a 2871R Garrett clone from Max PP Rods. I've had this turbo a couple times before. It's never let me down. Journal bearing. Kind of big for a 1.6 Miata, but just big enough to be like a big turbo car feel. If I would do it again, I'd probably get the Pulsar Turbo 2860, but I didn't feel like spending the money on a turbo setup that I don't know if I'm even gonna like it or not with the manifold I have. Damn, in the plastic bag. Crazy with their new ingrained or casted, yeah, you can't even say you have a Garrett anymore. They have their name on their shit now. You know, this company has warehouses in America now. It's so fucking crazy. That's crazy, like how fast time flies and how like these small companies progress because of idiots like me that will buy just the absolute cheapest shit. Oh, it spins. No play at all. Usually a little bit. That's actually insane. And you see it has a tiny bit of tolerance. Still spins around. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second. Alright, so yeah, here it is. There's my VIN number for my turbo. Yeah, this thing is just pretty simple. It's just a little baby. It's like one of the bigger T25s you can get for no money. And I wish it was smaller. I wish this exhaust housing was a little bit smaller. Because the 2860, this is the same. Like the inducer is the same, the 28. This is the 28. And this is a 71R wheel. It's very big, so it makes it a little laggy. Oh, you added a new hole here. That's crazy. I don't know why they did that. But yeah, I have to make this like a side mount, so I have to flip this over this way and this that way. The oil drain is very nice. The oil feed is very nice. Actually, oh wow, they give you, wow, holy shit. I get the Ricer badge, I'm not gonna use this gasket, I'm gonna use this 5-hole gasket for the back. Damn, they give you studs, oh, they give you, okay, the oil restrictor. This is like the most important part because these Chinese turbos, they like to just not hold oil. Because like oil cools this. Oh, I'm cooking in my air fryer. One moment. I burned my chicken sandwich. These Chinese turbos like to just let the oil just escape through the exhaust and intake. So a lot of times these turbos will be like, oh, I put it on my car and it's leaking, but you didn't put the restrictor in because your car makes too much oil pressure for this turbo that's meant to go on like a dying D16 Civic, not your freshly rebuilt, you know, engine that makes oil pressure. But yeah, that is the unboxing of this turbo, uncut, raw, unedited. It is a nice turbo. Like I wouldn't recommend running these, but just keep like, I don't know, an extra one on standby. And yeah, but these things are pretty decent. I do fuck with Max PP rods because if they didn't exist, like if this turbo did not exist, I would be going to Pulsar and paying like $650 for a 2860 like I should be, and my car wouldn't be boosted for this upcoming drift event. And yeah, I don't know, my whole world would be different if this company didn't exist actually. It's kind of weird that I think about that now. But yeah, one of my favorite turbos to ever exist.